channel. The key got stuck in a Hummer and you cannot take it out. And I'll show it to you, it's just stuck in there. You can move, you cannot take it out. We're going to remove the handle, the cover, the whole thing. We're going to remove it. I have posted many other videos and I have shown how to open it. Once it's open, then I'll share with you what is the cause why the key is not coming out. The reason is, if you see, once we open, this is the gear shifter. Once we move the shifter back and forth, and what happens is that this is the connector. And if you look at this, one wire is broken, and I took it out, the connector out of here, plugs in here. What happens, all this time we are changing gear, we are shifting back and forth, and this wire keep moving back and forth, and sometimes they get break. Like in this case, this black wire is broken. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to pull the pin out, and I'm going to solder it. I'll place the pin back. This is the blue cap, and this is another cap. This is the locking cap. I just took it out from here, and once we going to solder the pin, and then we're going to put that locking blue cap, and if you see the pins showing right there, so then the pin's gonna stay form at one place. Then we're going to plug in this connector. This connector is a little harder to take it out. Get a flathead screwdriver, put it right here, press it, and then pull it, and it will come out. I'm going to solder the wire. I'm going to put it back. There is a pin, and it's hard to take it out. You need some kind of scribe like this. Push it from other side, right from here. Then you pull it out, and this is the pin. And when we're going to put it in, it's gonna go this way inside like this. I'm going to solder this one right here. I'm not going to use crimping tool to crimp it, then it's gonna break. The soldering is the best option. If you don't know how to solder it, it's a good idea that you can cut it out from here, then you can use a T-tap, and you can buy a new one. I soldered the pin, and now I'm going to put it back in, and we're going to put the locking cap. After putting the pin in, and now I'm going to put that locking cap. That's going to keep the wiring in a place. It's not gonna be moving anywhere. And if you see, that's way it's gonna look. Before I put it in, I'm going to put electrical tape, and then we're going to put it into the connector securely. After installing the connector, now we can test it. The key comes out easily. So this was the issue, that the key was stuck because of the broken wire. Now the key freely comes out, and I hope if you having an issue with your Hummer, and you can fix it as well. So if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye bye.